Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Cardano video update today, and we're looking at Cardano probably trying to do its own stupid thing and its own stupid moves to the upside. Who knows? It's pretty crazy what Cardano is doing right now, but so here we are. If you look at the chart pattern, and this one actually goes something like boom to the downside, went to the upside like this, and I told you that is going to be a bump and run pattern, and I've talked about this one in detail yesterday, and I kind of like how the phone is pretty good and amazing. I mean, the phone is amazing, you can pretty much walk around and talk about the updates for Cardano. So what I'm looking forward to is basically that this Cardano right here, we have a technical target all the way up to this price level up here, and that's going to be 0.384, and the 0.384 is a level that I'm really looking forward to if Cardano can actually end up going to that particular price level. Now, however, there's one stop loss that you have to keep in mind, and if I drag this blue line up there, you can see that 0.3274 is going to be a place where probably people have their stop losses. I think so. A lot of people have their stop loss in here, so maybe just put in a little bit of that stop loss down a little bit. Oh my goodness, I cannot even drag the, okay, so here we go. So you can drag a little bit to the downside, 0.3248, and probably at that point of time, if the whales decide to do a stop loss hunt, at least you don't get affected by the stop loss hunt in here, and you can probably get a little bit of that move to the upside. So let's go on to the daily time frame, and let's see if the daily time frame is any interesting. Now, unfortunately, on the daily we do have some shooting star, which is this candle right over here. If I show you that shooting star, that actually means that a reversal to the downside can happen. You might even see the prices start to move lower at that point of time. So it's going to be important to check out this one little detail. But technical analysis is analyzing different time frames and looking at all those possibilities that you can have, of course. Now, to me personally, I think that with a possibility like this one, you might end up still pushing to the upside, because people might be putting their stop losses right over there, right above this place, because they think that this is where the prices might start to go. Like they think that the prices are going to go to the downside only because we have a shooting star right over here. Now, if you do look at the effect of the shooting star, now shooting stars are actually meant to be like this. So if you look at that, it's a little bit of that red candle that appears when an uptrend has already been done, and from that uptrend you actually go to the downside. So shooting stars look pretty much like this one, so you got to be very, very careful. And that's exactly what Cardano really have. That's the shooting star that we're looking forward to. And yep, I think I have actually paid for something. And that's pretty much it for this update on Cardano, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.